All right, listen up. If you're young, hungry for adventure, and keen to make some serious cash, this is the video you need to watch. Imagine earning $250,000 a year. Yep, $250,000, without needing a uni degree, years of experience, or even knowing someone in the industry. I'm talking about FIFO mining jobs in Australia, and trust me, the opportunity is bigger than you probably think. So, what's FIFO? It stands for Fly In, Fly Out. You get flown to a remote mining site, work hard for a set period, then fly back home for a long break. It's not just great pay, it's an entire lifestyle change. Think free accommodation, all your meals sorted, gym access, and even your transport covered. The best part? You can start fresh, even if your CV is emptier than a Sunday pub. Entry-level positions are everywhere. Take drillers offsiders. You're looking at a starting salary of $120,000 to $150,000 a year. Or how about being a bus driver on site? That's easily $110,000 a year. And these are just the stepping stones. Move up the ladder and you could be pulling in supervisor money. $250K packages are real. No joke. Now, how do you actually get your foot in the door? Step 1. Start hunting for mining traineeships or entry-level roles. No fancy degrees required. Step 2. Apply directly to mining companies or hit up labour hire agencies. They're always on the lookout for keen workers. Step 3. Be upfront about wanting a go. Attitude counts for more than experience in this game. I know what you're thinking. Is it worth the grind? Here's the truth. FIFO isn't for everyone. The shifts can be long and you'll be away from home for blocks at a time. But the flip side, extended time off, stacks of cash in the bank, and a lifestyle that's nothing like your average 9 to 5. If you're craving new mates, new skills, and a bank balance that'll make your mates jealous, it's hard to beat. So, ready to give mining a go? Search Mining Traineeships Australia or reach out to a labour hire company near you. Your next adventure and pay rise could be just one application away. Don't just watch, act. Your future self will thank you. Please like, share and subscribe to SmartBiz Tech by BHP.